In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a virtual card in Revolut. So the first thing we need to do is just open up the Revolut application, and then we're going to scroll down until you see the card section and go and click on this. Now select Add New in the bottom navigation, click on Virtual, and then select the color of your virtual card and press Get Card for free. Now we can give our card a name. I'm just going to call this Travel and select Create Card. Now your virtual card is ready to use, so what we can do is click on Add to Apple Wallet at the bottom of this window, and that's going to pop up with this window here saying Add Card to Apple Pay. Just go ahead and press Next in the top right hand side. You can also decide whether you want to set this as the default card in your wallet, so that means when you load up Apple Pay it will be the first one that's displayed. So I'm going to select Use as Default Card, and now when we open up our Apple Wallet you can see we have our Revolut card here ready to use. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.